think I found something. And here it is. So back in February of 24, I started this thing. It's a large walnut crotch that I had turned into a deep hollowed vase. And I did the rough turning. I had boiled it and I let it sit, and it is down to about 8% moisture content. So I'm going to finish this thing up. The first thing I'm going to do is straighten out the outside a little bit, kind of a uniform shape, before I can finish hollowing the inside. I'm using my Robust Tools Turner's Edge 5/8 inch bowl gouge. As you can see, this piece does have some defects that will require some attention. After smoothing out the outside a little bit, I mixed up some 5-minute epoxy. I realized this defect does have some bark in it. It has a bark inclusion, and I decided I wanted to try to keep it. So not only am I using this epoxy, but I'm also going to use some thin CA glue that will get onto the bark and kind of solidify it and make it so it won't come out. There were other little cracks and ends of pith that were all over this thing that I did end up filling as well. Given that this was a crotch, there are lots of ends of branches all over the place. But I like it because it really adds to the figure of the entire piece. So I had straightened out the main body. Now it's time to straighten out the neck just a little bit.